Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got crochet locks done for the first time by my sister and I filmed a short tutorial for you guys. Let's go. Style, I used twisted up butterfly locks 2X in color 1B in 12 inches length. For the wrapping part, I also used the same brand. Each pack has 18 strings, which is great depending on the size that you're getting. After attaching the crochet loop to my hair, I did not add any extension to my hair. I use my natural hair oil, but I will advise you to do so. We wrapped the wood with the Afro twist hair, and then my sister used the crochet needle to pull my hair inside the crochet string to make it look more natural. And then you keep on doing the same thing to all the string until you get the look that you are looking for. Because I used 12 inches length for the style, I had to cut some of them to make it more like a bob style. They were kind of like uneven, and to prevent them from unraveling, I tied the end and burned them. All I can say is that I love the hair so far, and just give it a few days to be more loose and you'll be able to style it anyhow you like.